Hey guys, welcome to the Bearded Woodworker. Do you guys have a closet that looks like this? Well, I do, and I'm ready to change it, and I'm going to show you how. So it's no surprise that most of the clothes in here belong to the lady, and that's all right. I don't wear very many button-up shirts. This is probably my little section right here, and she has the rest. We do both have quite a few pairs of shoes, although she's got a little more. I think we'll start off by doing some shelves down the middle where we'll put our fold-up pants and jeans. Instead of up here all on the top, we'll put sweaters and winter wear up here. And I think I'll build some shelves on the bottom so we can organize those shoes a little better. Now let's get started. Now that we have the shelf done, the next thing we're going to do is take all these clothes off the rack. Maybe I'll go through my shirts. The rule of thumb is 6 months. That's kind of crazy. A year, maybe. My rule, 2 years. I don't know. Let's see. I don't hardly wear any ties or a lot of belts. I got 2 belts, but look at that. I mean, seriously? We'll see. Have to have that one Hawaiian shirt for that luau party. So that 6-month rule doesn't apply to that. Well, there we go. The project's done. This is something I've been meaning to do for a long time. It's really helped my wife and I go through some of our clothes to find out what we wear, what we don't wear, and what just doesn't fit anymore. It also helped us go through our shoes. And way too many shoes. Now that I'm organized, I hope I can help you get organized. If you have any questions on this project, just leave them below down in the comments and I'll answer them right away. Thanks for watching The Bearded Woodworker. We'll see you at the next project.